this is a little Christmas special, and we got some random pack openings. We went to Argos, and we just got these little lots, so yeah. We'll start in this order, so here we go. I'm trying to get a glow-up bulb. That's actually alright. That's pretty good. Yeah, you can get that. Another one. Is this? Oh, for a second I thought that wasn't English. Too bad it's at one now, so. Another one. Let's go for a hat trick. Yep. Got something in this one. Glow ball? No. Power Breaker. And now the Storm of Ragnarok. Get Maxi. Oh, if it goes past 9 minutes, tell me. But I doubt it should do. Loki. Yeah, I'll put Supers over here. If you hear any noise in the background, that's just my dad bringing my presents up. Smoke signal. Thanks. And that's a white goat. I think it's a bit racist how the white goats are super and their black goats are rare. Oh, this is your favourite pack, ain't it? Here, get Pot of Duality. I doubt that. Amazon is thing. Let's get a tall guy or a rabbit, that'd be cool. It looks like your pack is failing us. Why do you want a secret pot? You can probably buy one on eBay for like 20. Ha ha ha. Now, Generation 4's got a lot of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It goes. You can get a Steelthorn Roach. Or this bad Ultra. Steelthorn Roach, Leviair, Leviathan Dragon, go ahead. I hate that sound of opening packs. Yeah, you'd have to whisper.
I shall put that all there.
Yeah, whatever.
Don't be cheeky now.
I'm not being cheeky. It's annoying when people whisper. Absolute Crusader.
What? Stuff, I'm doing stuff at the moment, babe. What? Where are you?
Yeah, like I said, the noise in the background is my family, because it's quite hectic Christmas time and stuff. Got to get the roast on, or the big turkey thing. Whatever you have. Ultimate, I think, maybe? No. That E-Hero thing. And the rare's a Magician. That's actually going to be really good. Zen Master, is it? And the rare is a thingy. Gishki Diviner. Yeah, but if you just hold it outside, they can use it, yeah.
Alright, what do you want?
Super Crush Bug. Oh yeah, and the rare is a... Yeah. Oh, when I open the packs, you getting it on the thin camera, so...
Yeah, I am.
Oh, okay, as you... Okay. Ghost Ship. There's that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This pack, yeah, I don't know how that happened. Hopefully it's a maxi, so... Okay. No such luck. Stardust, no, ain't enough. 6 packs of, Photon Shockwave. Get a Rescue Rabbit, Dolka, Lagia. Then main, so that'd be, oh yeah, that'd be pretty cool. I can't read that. That video, I can't read that. Oh, Merry Christmas to everyone, by the way. Yeah, you wanted that card. Hey, you got XCs? No, I thought it was an XCs. It was shiny. That's light serpent, ain't it?
Yes.
Was it? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, Durare. Durare is this. Alright. Sabers. No, Photon Saber Tiger. That's actually quite a good card. So let's get a rabbit. Yeah, get a wind up rabbit. Yeah, if I got like a wind up a rabbit or a tall guy, just please get the loudest video ever. Now, for Extreme Victory, let's try and get a tall guy. Or a reborn Tengu. Oh, that's a trap card, never mind. And the rares, yes. They really knew what to talk about to sell it on the phone. A rare in that one.
Is that the last one?
Yeah, it's last pack, yeah.
Oh, at least we tried.
Yeah, I've really got 3 rabbits anyway, so anyway. The rare in that one. Last pack.
Come on.
No, I don't think I got anything in this one. Okay, actually, you got a Drunk Berserker. So out of them all, we got like, comment, and rate this video, and if you want any of these cards, PM me. Thank you.